Welcome to building multiple Flutter applications by sharing a common code base for phones, tablets, and web-based applications and packages course. My name is Marco Napoli, and I'm an active Flutter developer. Let's get an overview of our tasks and goals. You need to create multiple Flutter projects for phone, tablet, and web with the ability to share a common reusable code base. Well, guess what? You'll create 3 projects, a single shared code base package, and 2 separate phone, tablet, and web apps, creating patterns for an enterprise large-scale scenarios. You'll analyze the app's common features, and you'll create a single shared code base package containing logic and reusable widgets. The phone applications will navigate from lists and details on different pages, but on tablet and web, you'll use a split screen with a list and details on the same page. Let's look at the course demos applications. First, you're going to create the app's common features for a shared codebase package containing reusable logic and widgets. Next, you're going to create the users project for mobile, tablet, and web, accessing those shared code base. Mobile applications navigate from lists to details on different pages, and tablet and web applications will use a split screen layout with a list and details on the same page. Now, furthermore, you'll implement responsive design, dark and light mode, and you'll call RESTful APIs. Moving on, we'll implement the search capabilities. Lastly, you'll create the products project with the same features as the users, but with some differences. Here's a little demo of what you'll be building. As you can see, this is the phone version, and the left-hand side is the users, and the right is the products. And you'll see that they'll have similar features, but when you get to the details page, on the user, you'll show a single image. On the products, you will show a horizontal list of images. Moving on to tablet, you'll see that you'll be using the split screen navigation as you're used to on a tablet, list and details on the same page. You'll also be able to implement a search with a sticky header, so when the user search, you'll still use the same layout that you have there and just filter out the information. And on the users, you have a single image. And for the products page, you'll have a scrolling list, horizontal, of course, of different images, and all retrieved from the network, the internet. And then we'll have the web and mobile split screen navigation. On a web, you could be on a mobile device. So if you shrink the browser, you'll see that the designer is responsive. And it acts like a mobile application, but when you resize the browser, it goes back to a split screen scenario. And this is kind of a enterprise level, large scale scenarios, and also truly responsive designs that you would need between phones, tablets, and web-based. Up next, importing and reviewing the shared single code base package.